So hello guys, with the name of God Ram Ram. Before starting the session guys, let's congratulate our student Anusha Yeram. Anusha Yeram is very special. She has cracked off-campus offer from Google, Microsoft, Atlassian, all three. She is a June batch student. Her 8-month training is completed and now the results are out. So congrats to Anusha. Next, Vinita has cracked off campus offer from Microsoft. Then there is one more student who has cracked off campus offer from Microsoft. Her name is Sejal. Then there is one more student who has cracked off campus offer from LinkedIn. His name is Pranav Kulkarni. There are way too many successful students, and now you should also be working hard to add your name in that list. Okay. Also, all of them are off campus, indicating that you can always do things off campus. Now, guys, if I move towards the question, if I move towards the problem, yes, Karan, yeah. Guys, read. Such a difficult problem Google gave, right? I don't have the exact images, but I did know the text. So I've written it in short form here. You are given an array A of length n, and acha, it should not be he, it should be you. You can perform the following operation on a array A. You select any index from 1 to n minus 1. Select any index from 1 to n minus 1 and then XOR it with any number x and also the consecutive number XOR it with x. Do these operations any number of times and finally all the numbers of the array should be equal. Everyone react with emojis if they are understanding what the question is. Let's first clear up the clarity, okay? Understanding of the problem. I know no one is teaching you hard unseen problems, but I will do a great job at that. Don't worry. I'll make sure you crack Google. So focus here. You will have to attend the daily classes. Understanding. You are given an array. You are given an array. All that you can do is select any index I and I plus 1. Select any index I, then do a a of I XOR x and a of I plus 1 XOR x. Do this thing. Okay. X is a number you can select of your own choice. Do this operation as many times as you want. Guys, this is a super hard problem. You need your 101% focus here. Do this operation as many times as you want. As many times as you want, guys. As many times as you want. Congratulations. Great job. Finally, let me know if you can make all the array elements equal. If you can make all the array elements equal. Okay, so guys, let's take an example here. The number is this 3223. Always start everything with the name of God Ram Ram to become successful. You know God is with us, that's why the selections are not stopping in our program, non-stop. Anyways, 3 2 2 3. Guys, how can you make all the numbers in the array equal? You select this index I and you select this I plus 1 and do their XOR with x. Do their XOR with x. So guys, let's say x is 1. So if you select this number and do it XOR with 1 and also the consecutive number XOR with 1, what will happen? It will become 3 3 3 3. I hope you know about the XOR operation. You are doing the XOR of 2 and 1, it becomes 3. XOR of 2 and 1 becomes 3. This session is strictly not for beginners. You should be knowing the basic coding concepts for sure. Okay? Clear? So guys, in one operation you are able to make all the elements same. So the output for this will be yes. 3 2 2 3. In one operation you do a of 2 XOR 1 and a of 3 XOR 1 and then all the array elements become equal. Guys, this is not an easy problem because You don't know how many times should you do this operation, and on which indices should you do this operation, and what should be the final equal number in the array. So many unknown quantities and parameters makes this problem very very difficult. Anyways, I hope everyone can start writing yes in the chat if they understood the problem, what the problem is saying. Write yes in the chat and be super quick about it. Don't waste much time. Okay, understood. Yes, Ayush. Okay, great job. Nice. So you guys, yeah, Rajas is also there. Great job, Rajas. Great job. So you understand that Google is asking questions like this. By the way, guys, do you know a nice thing? If you have watched all the 50 sessions of mine of our course in bit manipulation of advanced XOR and XOR or an AND, you would be knowing the solution already. But I know most of you have not done. So आपको तो आने से रहा. तो चलिए solution ही देख लेते हैं. So guys, the thing is that my course is very brilliant, okay? If you watch the 50-bit manipulation videos, you can solve this hard problem in just 5 to 10 minutes, okay? That's the reality. React with emoji, if you know this thing, react with emoji. It only needed your effort to watch the 50 sessions. That's it. Rest of the things I made in the best manner. Anyways, this question will also get added to the course most probably. Now, because it is worth it. So now guys, understanding of the question is clear. Now guys, let me discuss another test case. You have to print yes or no. In this case, yes. In this case, no matter what operations you do, you cannot get the answer. In this case, 1, 2 and 4. Guys, can you do something so that all these elements become equal? Use your brain and let me know. Can you do something to make sure that these two elements become equal? Guys, I am giving some time to you people. Let me know in the chat if you can do something to make sure, do some operations to make sure that do some operations to make sure that 1, 2 and 4 becomes equal. Use your brain, guys. Use your lovely brain. God gave you brain and you're Kumar K student. Use your brain. Guys, giving 15 more seconds. Think about it. 1, 6. Yes, you no, you don't have to add. Guys, you can do something. Okay, you guys understand now. You have to select what? Two consecutive index. So guys, write yes in the chat if I am allowed to select the numbers which I am putting in the arrow. Can I select the first number and second number? Write yes or no in the chat. Just testing your understanding of the problem. अरे आर्चिस मान yes we can select. अरे आप लोग को पता नहीं क्या क्वेश्चन का मतलब क्या है? क्वेश्चन में लिखा है कि आप कोई भी आई और i+1 को सिलेक्ट करके उसको x के साथ जोर कर दो. कौन से आई को सिलेक्ट करना है, कौन से x को सिलेक्ट करना है, वो आपके ऊपर है. तो मैं फर्स्ट और सेकंड नंबर को सिलेक्ट कर सकता हूं ना? यस और नो? या. So let me do it XOR with let me think. If I do that XOR with 6, guys, I do that XOR with 6. What will be the new array? Everyone write in the chat. 1 XOR 6 and 2 XOR 6. What is the answer? 2 looks like this in binary format. 0, 1, 0. 6 looks like this. 1, 1, 0. You know na XOR of number 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. 100, which is 4. So guys, 2 XOR 6 is 4. 1 XOR 6. 6 looks like this. 7 looks like this. Sorry, 1, 6 looks like this. 1 looks like 0, 0, 1. So it will be triple 1. Triple 1 is 7. So 1 XOR 6 will be 7. 7, 4, 4. 7, 4, 4. Everyone in the chat write 7, 4, 4 if they understand that. Yes, sir. After selecting these two consecutive number and doing the XOR with 6, we get 744. Everyone agrees with this? So guys, I am saying that 744 can be converted to 777. Ha ha ha. How? Guys, you can select these two number and do their XOR with which number? 4 ऐसा दिखता है, 4 ऐसा दिखता है. तुम चाहते हो कि 4 ऐसा दिखे, तो किसके साथ XOR करोगे? ऐसे नंबर के साथ ना जिसके इधर 1 आ रहा हो, इधर 0 आ रहा हो. 3 के साथ XOR कीजिए. Do the XOR of this 4 with 3 and this consecutive number with 3. It will give you 777. You are done. Guys, see, it was so difficult. You had to prepare the full strategy that these two numbers, I do their XOR with 6. Then last two numbers, I do their XOR with 3. Then I get all the numbers as 7. So guys, everyone write yes if they understand the difficulty of the problem now. It is not a lallu problem. You don't get any thoughts and solution, right? That is why it's difficult. And that's why we as Kumar K students are going to solve it. So, guys, before discussing that, I want to discuss the XOR concept with you. Right? Yes, in the chat, if you guys are ready for some XOR discussions. It is very hard. It is 2000 plus rated on Code Chef and Code Forces. Anyways, guys, ready for XOR concepts? Yeah. So, guys, tell me ones or zero. Everyone write in the chat. You should know this formula: zeros or one. Whenever the two number are same, the XOR is zero. Ones or one, zero. Zeros or zero, zero. Two numbers same, zero. But if two number are different, one or zero, one. Zeros or one, one. Guys, write yes in the chat if this much concepts are clear, guys. Quick, 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 fast, 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 fast. There should be no one who does not even know this. Then you are not eligible for the pro batch. Yes, you understand that. Great job. So, guys, now I'm giving you an assignment. Please tell me the answer to this, okay? Guys, what will be the XOR of these two numbers? You will always go column wise. Column wise you will solve. Zeros or 1, 1. Ones or 0, 1. Two same number, 0. 1, 0, double 1. So guys, I hope you understood how to do the XOR of two numbers. Whenever two decimal numbers are given to you, na, let's say someone is asking x is 2, y is 6. How will you do 2 or 6? First you convert to binary. In bit manipulation, always convert to binary and then think column wise. I taught that method in the previous sessions. So 2 will look like this. And 6 will look like this. Guys, what will be the XOR of 2 and 6? Everyone in the chat start writing the answer. Harsh, you are wrong. सब गलत लिख रहे, सिर्फ लिखित ने सही लिखा था. लिखित ने XOR 2 और 6 का सही लिखा और रीति ने. बाकी लोग क्या कर रहे हो? Which what kind of substances are you abusing, guys? The XOR of this is 0. 1 and 1 is 0. 0 and 1 is 1. 100 is the answer. 100 is nothing but 4. 2 or 6 is 4. Now I hope this much concepts are clear. See, Rajas is the most... yes, no problem. Rajas is a very intelligent student. I know he is going to crack Fang Company. I know in future. I will show you his selection soon. Anyways, now guys, another stuff. So guys, whenever we are solving bit manipulation question, what did your Kumar K sir teach you in the course? What is the first rule? Whenever you're solving XOR, or AND question, what is the first rule? Convert to binary. Imagine in binary. Imagine binary format of each number. This trick always works, guys, like a charm. So guys, ready for some nasty discoveries? Write yes in the chat. It's going to open your brain totally in front of my eyes. Your brain will be opened. 1, 2, 4, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, double 0. So guys, Can we not solve the problem separately for each row? Yes or no, guys? First, you try to make all these values equal. Then you try to make all the values of the second column equal. Then try to make the values of third column equal. If all are equal, all the numbers will be equal, right? Yes or no in the chat if you agree with me. Can you see this brilliant discovery? That first you try to make all the numbers of the first column equal. Then you try to make the second column equal. There will be at most 30 columns. A number can be, see it is written. A number, okay, number can be as large as 2 raised to 20. So there will only be two, what we say, 20 columns possible, okay? 20 columns possible. Guys, someone please give the doc link to Niharika. Please give the doc link to her. She needs it. Okay. So guys, व्हाट एम आई सेइंग कि ये जो नंबर थे ना इनको मैंने बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट कर लिया. अब मेरी जिंदगी का मकसद क्या है कि पहले मैं फर्स्ट रो के सारे नंबर को इक्वल करूंगा. कैसे करूंगा वो भगवान के ऊपर. फिर मैं दूसरे रो के सारे नंबर को इक्वल करूंगा. कैसे करूंगा भगवान के ऊपर. फिर इसको अगर मैंने कर लिया, अगर तीनों रो के नंबर समझो सेम हो गए, फर्स्ट रो बिकम ऑल 1 1 1, सेकेंड रो बिकम ऑल 0 0 0, देन दिस रो बिकम 1 1 1, तो सारे नंबर बाय डिफॉल्ट इक्वल हो जाएंगे ना, राइट? यस इन द चैट इफ यू कैन ऑब्जर्व दिस, दैट यू शुड जस्ट ट्राई टू मेक ऑल द कॉलम्स इक्वल समहाउ. If all the columns are equal, all the numbers will also be equal if you see in horizontal method. Clear? So now guys, question boils down to brilliant observation. What is the brilliant observation? When all numbers are converted to binary, now your only task is to make all the numbers in each column equal. If you can achieve that, your job is done. So guys, now what is the new question? Everyone write in the chat, guys, what is the new question? You know, in mathematics we say henceforth, therefore, given a single column of 0 and 1, please tell me, can you convert them to all zeros or ones? Can someone write nicely write this question in the chat? अब क्वेश्चन का मतलब बदल चुका है. अब बस आपको एक कॉलम दिया है, आपको बताना है. देखो कितना सिंपल हो गया क्वेश्चन. सिंप्लीफिकेशन. You are given a column of zeros and ones. You have to tell me, can you convert all of them to zero or can you convert all of them to one? That is your only task now, guys. Feel it, feel it. अच्छे से इसको जो चैट में लिखेगा वही मेरा रियल स्टूडेंट और बाकी सारे फेक स्टूडेंट. So guys, write this simplification question nicely in the chat. Given a column of 0 and 1, make all the numbers equal. Write in the chat. This is now the final question. देखो क्वेश्चन सिंपल हो चुका है. आपको एक 0 1 का लाइन दे रखा है, सब नंबर को सेम करना है. सो देखते हैं किसने पहले लिखा. चिन्मय गुप्ता. लर्न फ्रॉम चिन्मय गुप्ता. He was absent for 1 month in the classes and now he's attending again. तुम लोग को ऐसा नहीं कि रोना चालू कर दे, सर मेरा गैप हो गया मैं क्या करूं. वो आ रहा है ना बेचारा, पढ़ रहा है, तुम भी पढ़ो. So given a column of zeros and ones, make all the numbers equal. Yes guys, yes, Chinmay Gupta. So according to Chinmay's law, you guys know my sessions are going to be very popular in future. Even your kids will come to my DSA class, right? They will watch this recording and they will know their father was attending my session one day. So according to Chinmay's law, according to Chinmay's law, according to Chinmay's law, what is according to Chinmay's law? According to Chinmay's law, by reading the name Chinmay, I remember one of the. अच्छा बड़ा नहीं हो रहा क्या? चलो कोई नहीं. According to Chinmay law, guys. Control. Wait. Yeah. Let me put a space. China's law, nahi Chinmay's law. Okay. Yeah. Let me put it here. Yeah. So, guys, according to Chinmay's law, what we are trying to talk about is very, very important. Okay. You are given a column of zeros and ones and you have to make them equal. Okay, you are given a column of zeros and one, given a column of zeros and one, given a column of zeros and one, make them equal, make them equal. So guys, now you only use your intuitive thinking and tell me what should be the target value. अगर तुमको जीरो से वन को सबको सेम वैल्यू बनानी है तो वो वैल्यू कौन सी हो सकती है? एवरीवन राइट इन द चैट गाइस. Yes, Aman, thank you. Guys, if you are given a column of 0 and 1 and you want to make all of them equal, what can be the equal value? अरे कॉमन सेंस है. अगर तुमको 0 और 1 दे रखा है और तुमको सबको इक्वल बनाना है जोर करके, या तो सब 0 बन सकते हैं या तो सब 1 बन सकते हैं, और कोई नंबर नहीं बन सकता. Got it? In simplest forms, I'm telling you. If you are doing XOR and let's say you are only doing the XOR with 0 or 1, you can only do the XOR with 0 and 1. You can do the XOR only with zeros and ones. Guys, please try to understand. Now you are dealing with a binary column. In the binary column, now there are only 0 and 1 binary number. So you can do their XOR only with binary numbers. ऐसे किसके भी साथ XOR नहीं कर सकते हो अब तुम. Your options have drastically reduced now. Guys, do you understand that your options have drastically reduced? तो भी चलो मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ. अब when you are treating each column separately ना, let's say आपने बोला कि मैं इसको और इसको x से जोर करूंगा और आपका x ऐसा दिखता है, 101 दिखता है, 101 दिखता है, मतलब 1 का जोर इस पर पड़ेगा, इस पर पड़ेगा, 0 का जोर इस पर पड़ेगा, इस पर पड़ेगा, 1 का जोर इस पर पड़ेगा, इस पर पड़ेगा, 101 101. तो मतलब समझ रहे हो, जब भी दो कॉन्जिक्यूटिव नंबर को उठाओगे ना, you can do that XOR either with 1 or 0. Okay, so now the question is that given a column of 0 and 1, make them equal, what should be the target value, 0 or 1? Either you can make all of them 0 or you can make all of them 1. Guys, write in the chat, either all 0, either all 1. Either you can make all of them 0 or you can make all of them 1, so that they all become equal. So Purvansh and Likit, use your brilliant brain and think how can you make all of them equal. Okay, 0 1 0. Guys, can you make all of them equal? Can you make all of them equal to 1? Write yes or no in the chat. Guys, this is constructive algorithm here, which is used a lot in competitive programming, mainly in Codeforces CodeChef. So guys, can you make all of them equal? Can you make all of them equal? Do some operations of XOR. Do some operations of XOR. Answer is yes. Yes, you can do it. क्या करोगे बताता हूं. पहले ना जो पहले दो नंबर है ना, इनको 1 के साथ जोर कर दो. 1 के साथ गाइस जोर करोगे तो कैसा दिखेगा ये? If you XOR the first two numbers with 1, what will happen? This will become 1, 0, 0 XOR 1, 1. 1 XOR 1, 0. And this will remain 0. So guys, this has become 100. And last two numbers, if you do that XOR with 1, they will become 1 and 1, na? Guys, you did it. But guys, this is not easy. For all kind of numbers, na, you need to tell me if you can convert them all to all ones. Okay, guys, write yes in the chat if you guys are ready for the next example. कुमार के सर कोई भी कॉलम देंगे तुमको एक झटके में बताना आना चाहिए कि सब 1 हो सकता है कि नहीं. अगर ये आ सकता है तो तुमको गूगल का जॉब मिल जाएगा 60 लाख रुपए का. क्लियर? सो बी रेडी नाउ गाइस. 0 0 1 0 0. Can you make all of them 1? Very simple. First you will select these two consecutive numbers. XOR 1 XOR 1, it will become 1 1. Then select these two consecutive numbers, XOR 1, all become 1. So guys, what is the first observation? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me? Whenever there is even length of zeros, if there are even length of zeros, you can make all of them to 1 by doing the simple XOR operation. ये तो कॉमन सेंस है ना. अगर मैंने यहाँ पर 4 जीरो रखे हैं, फिर यहाँ पर भी दो, तो हमको in a move you can just select any two consecutive numbers and do their XOR with 1, right? So you will select these two, do their XOR with 1, both of them converted to 1, then both of them converted to 1, then both of them converted to 1. So guys, is this much observation clear to you guys? That if all the lengths are, yes Aman, I know it is nice problem, if all the zero even lengths are there, then you can just make them all 1. It is common sense, right? बट गाइज फॉर विच केस आर वी फेसिंग द प्रॉब्लम? अगर जीरोस का इवन लेंथ है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम की बात नहीं, मजा आ रहा है. प्रॉब्लम ऑड में है. सो गाइज, दिस इज व्हाट विच इज क्रिएटिंग द प्रॉब्लम. जीरो 3 बार दे दिए. नाउ यू कैनॉट डू इट गाइज. नो, नोप 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 नोप. You will do this guys or with this guy and then this will be remaining ना. अगर इसका इसके साथ कर भी लिया तो भी क्या हो जाएगा? It will just get transfer. This 1 will come here and this 0 will come here and this will be like this, and still it is not getting solved. So odd number of zeros is not a good choice, okay? In general, I am telling you, in general. But guys, what if I show you that you can solve the odd part also, right? Yes, if you want to see the brilliancy now, you can solve the odd part also by doing some tricks. So that's what makes this problem truly difficult. 0 0 0 1 0. now ये पार्ट तो मैं आराम से सॉल्व कर लूंगा. ये इवन वाला है, अच्छे से इधर 1 ला दिया 0 1 0. बट आपको पता है 0 1 0 को कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है, आप जानते हो. फर्स्ट यू विल डू द XOR ऑफ दिस एंड व्हाट विल हैपन? 1 1, this 1 will come here and this will become 0. XOR with 1, XOR with 1, okay. And then guys, this part 1 1 again. Write yes in the chat if you can see the brilliancy and you are stunned. So guys, yes Ashish, you can answer out. Guys, what is, can you see a brilliant observation? When are you able to convert all of them to 1? When are you able to convert all of them to 1? Guys, when the number of zeros are how many in the column? जीरो के नंबर देखो कितने थे जब जाके ये हो पाया. कितने जीरो थे? कितने जीरो थे? समझ गए? अगर टोटल नंबर ऑफ जीरो इवन है तो गाइस क्या होगा? हो गया प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व. If total number of zeros are even, no matter where they are, you can convert always all of them to 1. That's the trick. Now many people don't know how is it possible. I will show you. Okay. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 0. Guys, write yes in the chat if you are ready to see the demonstration now. See, this is the odd part and this is also odd part. Okay, odd cannot be directly be solved. Guys, write yes in the chat if you are ready for the demonstration. याद करो, प्रोग्राम में आने के पहले आपको डेमो चाहिए था. डेमो याद आ रही है? अब देखिए, घंटों तक बैठ के डेमो देखिए. ओके, बहुत डेमो करते हो तुम लोग, देखो अभी. सो नाउ guys, the brilliant observation, whenever you do the XOR on the number of this type, what happens? Guys, if you do the XOR of 1 on 1 and 0, what will happen? Everyone write in the chat. 1 0 will be converted to 0 1. Does everyone agrees with this? जब भी 1 0 पे XOR करूंगा consecutive पे, तो 0 1 में बदल जाएगा वो. And guys, when I do the XOR on 0 1, तो क्या होगा? If I do the XOR on 0 and 1 consecutive, what will happen? It will be converted to 1 0. Guys, feeling आ गई? इसका मतलब 0 can travel. Everyone write in the chat. 0 can travel. तुम ट्रेवल नहीं कर सकते, तुम वहीं पर बैठ के पढ़ाई करते हो, बट 0 कैन ट्रेवल. हाउ विल इट ट्रेवल? फर्स्ट यू डू द XOR ऑपरेशन ऑन दिस. व्हाट विल हैपन? 0 विल कम हियर, 1 विल गो डाउन. ठीक है, ये लो 0 ऊपर आ गया. अब इन दोनों पे XOR करेंगे. 0 फिर से ऊपर, 1 नीचे. गाइस, कैन यू फील इट? 0 इज ट्रैवलिंग गाइस, ट्रैवलिंग. नाउ दिस जीरो दिस वन, इस पे जोर करो, जीरो ऊपर वन नीचे, लो गाइस जीरो जुड़ गया, सारा इवन पार्ट जुड़ गया, काम हो गया, कांग्रेचुलेशन. Zeros can travel. They have this magical power of traveling with the help of the Zor operation. This is the brilliant observation of this problem, is that the zeros can travel. Zeros can travel and they finally can join with each other. Once you have a full army of even number of zeros, you know that you can convert all of them to one. And that is the solution to this problem. Clear, guys? The code is very simple. You know, each column just check how many zeros are there. But the observation is brilliant. Clear? Yeah. आई नो इट इज ग्रेट ऑब्जर्वेशन. सो अब मैं आपको ना बहुत डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एग्जांपल से बताऊंगा, जरा मुझे बताना सब क्या होगा इसका आंसर. गाइस टेल मी, कैन यू कन्वर्ट ऑल ऑफ देम टू वन? यस और नो, एंड आल्सो टेल मी योर रीजनिंग. Can you convert all of them to one by doing the XOR operation on two consecutive numbers? XOR you can only do with one now because you are dealing with the binary columns. There are even number of zero. Yes, you can do. How will you do? बताता हूँ. ये जीरो पहले ट्रेवल करके यहाँ पर आएगा तो कैसा दिखेगा? जोर को भूल ही जाओ, बस समझ लो कि जीरो ट्रेवल कर सकता है. गाइज अब ये तीनों को इनसे जोड़ना है, क्या करो? इसको ट्रेवलिंग करा दो, ये उधर चला जाएगा. गाइज अब लास्ट के दो जीरोस को जोड़ना है तो इसको इधर ट्रेवल करा देता हूं. जीरोस कैन ऑलवेज ट्रेवल मैन. गाइज सब सही है, लास्ट के जीरो को ट्रेवल करा दीजिए. सो दिस जीरो विल कम हियर एंड दिस लास्ट टू वंस. गाइज ऑल दीज आर इवन. करो, पहले दो को वन बना दो, इसको वन बना दो. गाइज द प्रॉब्लम इज सॉल्व. सो गाइज fully clear end to end? Yeah. So what is the solution to the problem? If in a column there are even number of zeros, we can convert all of them to one. If there are odd number of zero, you cannot convert them all to one. So guys, ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है ना जिंदगी में, हर बार थोड़ी ना काम बन जाता है. What if there are odd number of zero? तो सारे वन तो नहीं बन सकते गाइज, सब वन नहीं बन सकते, तो सबको क्या बनाने का सोचोगे जरा बताना. जब फर्स्ट रैंक नहीं आती तो क्या करोगे? सेकंड रैंक ना, तो सबको जीरो बना दो. गाइज द रिवर्स कॉन्सेप्ट. Are you able to make all of them one? You can only make all of them one if there are the odd number, even number of zeros. That's not there. How to make all one? How to make all zeros? There should be even number of one. Guys, can you understand the reverse concept? अगर even number of one है तो समझ रहे हो ना, सब जीरो बन सकता है. Yes or no? Yes or no? Write in the chat. Reverse concept. So if there are even number of one, then full column can become zero. And guys, that's it. So what is the solution? For each column, 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 guys write the formula in the chat. For each column, guys quickly write it please. For each column, either the number of zeros should be even or the number of odd numbers should be even. If none of them is true, return false. It means you cannot solve the question. Okay, clear guys? So guys, the solution is pretty simple, right? What you will do, each number you will say, you are given 1 2 4, you will convert them to binary like this. 0 0 1, 2 is 0 1 0, 1 double 0. Okay, solve each column. Guys, please tell me, first column, can you solve it, yes or no? And also tell me the reason why. First column, can you solve it? Yes or no? And also tell me the reason. Tell me the reason. Tell me the reason. Because there are even zeros. Yes. Even zeros. So guys, इसको solve कैसे करेंगे by the way? इन दोनों पर 1 लगा देंगे. Right? But guys, do you know one special thing? When I am doing 1 year na, I will use a x which is having 0 years. So it does not disturb the other columns. Guys, everyone write yes if they understand that when we are doing operation on the last column, we will always keep the x value of the starting column as 0 ताकि इनको डिस्टर्ब ना करे. अरे इनको थोड़ी ना छूना है, फर्स्ट कॉलम को ठीक करना है ना. यस लिखिए अगर आपको पता चल रहा है कि जब हम लास्ट कॉलम से डील कर रहे हैं तो जितने भी एक्स जो हम लेंगे उनका सिर्फ लास्ट की वैल्यू सेट करेंगे 1 या 0. इसको कुछ नहीं करेंगे, 0 ही रखेंगे ताकि इनको डिस्टर्ब ना हो. बिकॉज जॉर ऑफ एनी नंबर विद 0 रिमेन्स द सेम. क्लियर? Yeah. So yes, this can be done. Guys, can this column be solved? Write yes or no in the chat. Fast, guys. Brilliant, Kumar. K student, yes, there are even number of zeros can be solved. Yes. Can this be solved? Yes. Guys, if all the columns can be solved, answer is yes. If that is not the case, answer is false. For example, there was a case given in the problem. Guys, tell me, can this be solved? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, can first column be solved? First column. Are there even number of 0? No. Are there even number of 1? No. False. Cannot be solved. Even if one column cannot be solved, you are done. एक भी कॉलम, एक भी पार्ट गंदा निकला तो कर ही नहीं सकते. राइट? यस इन द चैट इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. Even if one column is bad, how will you do the things? All columns should be possible. Guys, is second column possible? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Third column possible? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. लाइफ में सब कुछ सही कर लो, एक भी गलती कर दिया तो game over. Is it now clear to you? Clear? Clear, guys? Yeah. So now I am not writing the code for this. The C++ Java Python code is your own homework. What do you have to do? For each number, convert it to binary, check its column. For each column, you have to check how many zeros and ones are there. Either 0 should be even or 1 should be even. If both of these are not satisfied, return false. Else return true and you are solved the Google Wave problem. Time complexity will be nothing here. Nothing specific. Nothing big. O of n into 20, where 20 is the number of bits of the, it is given in the question. N also will be less than 2 raised to 20 and the integer x will also be less than 2 raised to 20. Okay. Space complexity. Guys, at max you will need na array of size 30. Okay. B of I should tell you the number of zeros in column I. So there will only be 30 column na, B of 30, B of 20, sorry. So O of 20, an array of size 20 extra you have to make, which is O of 1 space, constant space. Okay, if they all these things were not defined, you could have said O of log n here and O of n log n here. Okay. So guys, I hope this much is clear to you. Write yes in the chat if you understood and enjoyed, and be quick, guys. Quick, fast. Yeah, you can do. Yeah. Yes. Either the number of 0 should be even or the number of 1 should be even. Clear, guys? Clear? Yeah. Good. Great.